Hello, scholars! Today we will be testing the level of nitrates in our sunfish aquarium. Do you remember why we test the quality of the water where our fish are living? That's right, we want to make sure that the water is healthy for our bluegills so they are able to grow up and be released into the waters around the Chesapeake Bay watershed. As you can see from our directions, we're going to put 5 milliliters of water from our aquarium into the test tube. It's important to make sure that the test tube is on a flat surface like a table and that we are eye level with the water in the test tube to get the accurate reading. Next, we will slowly pour 10 drops of nitrate solution number 1 in the test tube. Once we put the cap on our test tube, we'll gently shake the test tube a few times. Before we add the nitrate solution number 2, we need to shake the bottle for 30 seconds. Now we can add 10 drops of nitrate solution number 2 to the test tube. We're going to gently shake the test tube for 1 minute, then we're going to wait 5 minutes and read the results. I know you have already learned about telling time this year. This is our starting time. What time is shown on the clock? I hope you said the time shown was 1:57. If we wait 5 minutes, do you know what time it will be when we read the results? Okay, 5 minutes have passed and it is now 2:02, so it's time for us to read the results of the nitrates test. Let's compare the colors of the water in the test tube with the colors in the nitrate column on our color card. What color is closest to the water in our test tube? Now that we found the matching color, what number matches that color? Record this in the Sunfish section of your science journal. I noticed that the liquid in the test tube is about the same color as the number 80. So on our data collection chart, I'm going to record that there were 80 parts per million in the nitrate section. Let's take another look at the nitrate test directions. I see that the goal range for nitrates is less than 40 parts per million. This means that the levels in our aquarium are a little high and the water may not be healthy for our fish to live in for a long time. In your science journal, Write some ideas that you have for things we can do to lower the nitrate levels. One thing we can do is a water change. This means that we have to take out some of the dirty, unhealthy water and replace it with clean water. We might have to do this a few times to get the nitrates back to a healthy level. Keep thinking about other ways to keep water healthy. Through the year, we will continue to learn about how we can protect the water in the Chesapeake Bay watershed.